How to back up all project in CapCut. In this video, I will show you step by step how to back up your project in the CapCut PC. After you open the CapCut interface like this, you go to this option and click on the space button. After you select the spaces, now you select your username. After you select your username, so here you'll be able now to see the project that you uploaded. So if you want to upload your own, you click on this upload button. So you click on this upload project. So from there now it will give you all the list of the project that you are currently working on. So if you scroll to down, now you select the one that you want to upload. So for me, let's say I want to upload this one. I want to upload this project. Just select the one that you want to upload. After you finish selecting the project that you want to back up, then you click on this upload button. So from there you give it some minutes. So as you can see, it says the project replacement auth. So just click keep path. So if you look at this, as you can see now, here is the project. So just if you want to select another one, you click on the upload button, upload project, and then you select the one that you want to upload. Let's say for me, I want to upload this one, this one. After you select the one that you want to upload, so from the upload button, and then you allow them to finish uploading. As you can see now, the one that I upload now, here is it now, it appears here. And that's it guys on how to back up all project in CapCut PC. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe.